Hi there, this is a installation instructional video for laptopscreen.com. This is an HP Pavilion dv7 computer. It had the high definition screen and unfortunately it was dropped and the screen busted, which is right here, and it got sufficient damage that the whole thing was basically not viewable. So I have actually already removed the screen, but I'm going to explain how I did it and how you can do it. First of all, when you open the computer up, there are two small rubber inserts here and here, and behind those are hidden screws. So you're going to need a number 1, a number 0 might work, but I'm using a number 1 Phillips drive. Actually, you know what? I think this is a 0. Yeah, it is a 0. I use a 0 Phillips to remove this, and that's actually the only fasteners that you're going to need to remove to take this outer plastic piece off, which you have to do first. So when you do that, you're going to get some space that you can pull away from the metal backing of the lid. So you can get some space, and then I would recommend getting something that's flat and plastic, maybe like a plastic putty knife or anything that's kind of rigid that you can slide along this outside part to separate the snaps. So other than these two fasteners, everything else holding the border of the plastic screen on is all snaps. So you just slide along the sides and along the top and it will come off. The only other caveat to that is that you need to be careful of these two hinges on the bottom. And the hinges on the bottom lift basically straight up. So I would recommend pulling the screen beyond 90 degrees so that you can get this out easily. And so once you have it snapped away, you just lift pretty much vertically, and I would recommend wiggling to get this piece off. And you can see what I was talking about, that the cutout is basically such that you just pull straight up. So you wiggle and pull straight up to get this out. And at this point, sorry, cats. At this point, there are internal fasteners, and so you're going to remove screws from the screen itself. And so the screen has, on the sides, if you can see, it's got multiple screw holes that are tapped and the screws go in. So at this stage in the process, the screen is like this,